hot. I'm sweating. Woo! Ted, where you at? I know you're hiding in the trunk. Open up these old cars in here. Pump up some tires. Where you at? Look at them.
I can only be one guy.
Who else, right?
Trinidad James, my man.
Here?
I hear some lunatic come in, start screaming, "Where's Ted? Where's Ted?" I knew right away, Trinidad James. He's in his own area code. That guy is just so cool and nice, and he's loud, but he's sincere, and he does what he says.
I need a Corvette, man.
Well,
I know these are expensive. They're in the showroom. Take me to the back. I know the heat is in the back, Ted.
Are you cheap today?
Nah, man. I got things.
30,
I got boots
30
to buy.
grand, 35 grand?
I got boots to buy,
I heard
man.
that. You
I
got
got
a new
boots
label
to buy.
coming out now, man?
Got a new label coming. You know, it's a lot of things going on, Ted. It's a great time in life. I'm Trinidad James. I do a lot. It's no one thing you could really box me in. People know me from music, but if you know me, then you know me for everything, from fashion to philanthropy to acting, writing music for other artists. I mean, just a complete entertainer in the full package. I've known Ted about maybe 4 years now. I'm at Ted's today because I need a Corvette. I like Corvettes because when I was a kid, Gucci Mane, one of my favorite artists, he had a Corvette. And I remember seeing him drive by when I was coming out of the shoe store, and I was like, yo, this is the moment. This is the best thing I've ever seen in my life. And I was like, I gotta have a Corvette.
Well, he said he wanted to buy a Corvette, so I tried to show him the nice ones in my showroom, and he said, no, Ted, let's go out back. I want a different one. And I had the right car for him. Had an Anniversary Edition, 78, and he was in love right away. This is what I wanted to show you, Trini.
What we got here, Ted?
This is a 1978 Corvette Anniversary Edition, automatic AC, rebuilt motor.
Nah, this car not running. It ain't got no motor in here. What you got in here, Ted? Don't play with me, Ted.
Don't start with me.
Come on, man.
You want
Let
to
me
see
see
the
the
motor?
hood. Lift this hood up,
Oh,
Ted.
you wanted there to be a motor in here.
Hey, is there a motor in here, Ted? I don't know about you, man.
Right home by your feet.
You got Corvettes over here in the grave, man. What you got going on? Okay, start her up.
No, you want it to start too?
Come on. I mean, you want me to buy it, don't you?
Well, you know, he starts giving me heat. Does it have a motor? I go, yeah, it has a motor. He goes, yeah, does it run? I go, yeah, it runs. So I turn the key, poof, and it fire her up like a champ. He says, that works for me. And it ain't gonna sound better than that, bro.
One turn? One key turn. All right, Ted. What you want for her? I got work to do on this car, so you better not come crazy.
I'd like 16 for it. It's the Anniversary Edition car, T-tops, all that stuff.
Well, it ain't my anniversary, so I like 13.
You probably weren't even born then.
Come on, exactly. So it has no correlation to my life. 13. Come on, Ted.
15, bro. Come on,
Oh,
stop.
Ted.
You got more money in your pocket than I make in a
Ted,
year.
I got boots to buy, Ted. I got boots to buy. 14, Ted.
14 will work. Done.
Brother.
Enjoy it. It's a beauty.
I'm gonna drive this home today. Come on, let's do paperwork.
I got it.
Gloria! Play by play for this deal. Ted hit me with a whopping, what every salesman do, he comes with the highest number, 16. Not hearing it. You lowball the curveball. When you lowball the curveball, he's gonna come back with another straight shooter. So his straight shooter was like 15, and then my straight ball was 14. And we shook hands on it. So I feel really great about this deal. Shout out to Ted, great man, Mr. Vernon. Thanks, Gloria.
Gloria. It's a great song from the 50s. You know, we start showing Gloria. I don't know, but he doesn't know who's working here from week to week. He got the wrong name, but Cindy's there, and she's the keeper. So I'm happy.
Hello, Ted Vernon. We're open Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., and we close at 5 p.m. on Saturday. Sure, we'd love to see you. Come on in anytime. Thank you.
So this guy saw the commercial, huh?
Yeah, he saw the commercial,
And?
and he suggested you stick to radio.
That's a shot, isn't it? That's a shot.
You think?
Wow. I don't disagree with him. I'm more comfortable on radio. But that's a shot.
I thought you looked good on TV.
When he comes over, he's paying retail.
I already told him I'll give him a discount.
That's cold. That's really cold. I'm Ted Vernon. I'm the best at what I do. I buy, sell, and trade classic cars. Bring it, tow it, drag it behind you. I don't care.
Deals. Our experienced team of professionals are world class, and that's why we can bring you the hottest cars at the lowest prices. It's no wonder so many people choose Ted Vernon.
Get over here. No dealer fee, because we don't steal. Come on in. I'm a fun guy to hang around with. and we're selling cars like candy bars.